Yes, I would like to check out.
Certainly. May I have your name and your room number?
My name is Ariano, room 305.
Thank you, Mr. Arellano. Please allow me a moment to retrieve your account. Here is your final bill. Kindly review the charges to ensure everything is in order.
Yes, everything looks correct.
Thank you for confirming. How would you like to settle the bill?
I will pay by credit card.
Certainly, kindly insert your card into the terminal. Your payment has been successfully processed. May I have your room key?
Here it is.
Thank you. Please allow us a moment while our housekeeping team check your room for any damages or missing items.
Room 305 has been checked. No damage, no missing item found. The room is good condition.
Thank you for waiting. The room has been inspected and everything is in order. May I ask how your stay was with us?
It was very good, thank you.
We are delighted to hear that. Thank you for choosing our hotel. We hope to welcome you again in the future. Have a safe trip.
Thank you, goodbye.
Di mo ba ako lilisanin? Hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin?